You know that feeling, right? That endless search for the perfect planner? Not just one that keeps you organized, but one that actually gets you excited to plan your week. Something that feels less like a rule book and more like you. Today, we're going to look at a planner system that was built from the ground up to do just that.
Okay, let's be real. How many planners have you tried only to have them end up in a drawer somewhere? They just felt off. Maybe a little too corporate, a little too boring, or they just didn't match the energy you wanted for your week. It's a super common problem, and it's exactly what we're digging into.
And yeah, this list, it just hits the nail on the head, doesn't it? The typical planner can feel so bland, almost like a spreadsheet you have to carry around. It's so rigid that planning, which should be this fun, exciting process, turns into a total chore, and it absolutely crushes any spark of creativity you might have had. But what if your planner was actually the solution? Well, check this out. This is the Glow Today Weekly Planner Bundle, and it's designed to be completely different. A way to get your life organized that's actually beautiful and works with you, not against you. And here's the secret sauce, the thing that makes this so cool. You get 4 totally different, kind of magical designs all in one. Because let's face it, your vibe changes week to week, right? So why shouldn't your planner be able to change right along with you? And this is where it really clicks. We're moving way beyond just a simple to-do list here. You gotta think of this thing as a mood board for your entire week. It's a visual space that helps set the tone, not just for what you're gonna do, but for how you wanna feel while you're doing it. Okay, so take a look at this. You can really see what I mean. On one side, you've got that gentle, super calming lavender bloom. And right next to it, the warm, cozy autumn glow. You can literally pick the one that matches the season, your current project, or just whatever you're feeling on a Sunday night. Let's zoom in on that autumn glow for a sec. I mean, with those warm oranges and earthy colors, it's just perfect for those cozy, get-it-done days. Just imagine planning out a new creative project, maybe with a cup of tea. See? That's the vibe. It just puts you in this grounded, creative mindset. Now, for something totally different, you've got the pink watercolor design. This one is all about that soft, artistic feel. It's amazing for when you're brainstorming, journaling, or just planning things that need a more gentle, free-flowing touch. It just feels dreamy. And then there are those days when you just need a little bit of fun, a little bit of magic, right? That's where this fairy planner comes in. The pink gingham, the little illustration, I mean, how can you not smile? It's so lighthearted, perfect for planning social stuff or hobbies, or just making your daily tasks feel a little less tasky. So, you see, all these gorgeous designs are pointing to something bigger. This isn't just about making things look pretty. It's about this idea of gentle productivity and calm clarity. It's about creating an environment for yourself, even in your planner, that helps you plan smarter and, maybe more importantly, be a little kinder to yourself in the process. So what on earth is gentle productivity? Well, it's pretty much the antidote to that constant hustle culture pressure. Instead of chasing a never-ending to-do list that just leads to burnout, you shift your focus. It's about making calm, steady progress and knowing that rest is just as productive as work. It's all about finding balance. And this chart, it really lays it all out, doesn't it? On one side, you have traditional planning, which feels so demanding, always pushing you to hustle, which we all know leads to burnout. But the Glow Today way is about being flexible, being inspired. It's about finding your own personal flow and using your planner to create clarity, not more stress. So how do you actually do this? It's honestly this simple. First, you just check in with yourself. Choose your mood. Pick the design that's calling to you this week. Step 2, you plan with intention, holding on to that feeling of calm. And then you get to the best part. You just enjoy a week that's not only organized, but feels 100% you. So it all just boils down to this. Planning doesn't have to be this stressful, rigid chore. When you have the right tools and the right mindset, it can actually be a source of calm and inspiration. So the only real question left is, how will you find your glow?